Akala ko nagbibiro ka lang. Hindi. Kasi kasama to sa mga biro mo.
Beaches and coastlines, no? And yun, you would expect na buwisit, nakalimutan. Baglayan ako, naka-face mask. Saan nga naka-face mask? Malamang, jacket o bride, ito. If you ever get to ask someone not from Ilocos what Ilocanos are, they would most likely tell you the following: bagnet, empanada, longganisa, and pagudpod. In that particular order. In all fairness, lahat naman yun totoo. Kami nga Ilocanos, we represent a demographics that is full of good food, tourism, and tourist spots. In fact, there are lots of misconceptions associated with the Ilocano culture. Things like, umakyat ka na ba sa bundok? Or umuwi ka na ba sa inyo? It's like they're implying that Ilocanos or Ilocos is actually a very, very far place. But what if I were to tell you there's more to the Ilocano facade? What if the Ilocano that you see on the surface is just merely scratching the surface? In this episode, my friends, we get to explore beyond what you know about Ilocanos. In this episode, we get to explore what makes our Ilocano culture unique as any other culture out there, if not better. But rather than highlighting the things that you know so far about Ilocanos, we get to explore their hobbies, pastimes, and their interests. And if you're new to this channel, Ilocos catches everything Ilocos. The food, the place, and the people inside it. By the way, para mas masaya ang kwentuhan, why don't you hit that subscribe and bell notification para mas ganahan kayo to watch our episodes and to be notified of our upcoming episodes. So basically, ang Ilocos Norte is home to 609 individuals, Ilocanos. The capital of our province is Lawag City, which is actually famous for Bell Tower and Lawag City San Junes. Well, among other things, empanada, bagnet, longganisa. So we are in front of the famous Ilocos Norte capital because our province is actually known for tourism. Siyempre, nagiging tourist spot na rin ang ating capital. Every year, they actually have like sort of a theme, pakulo, para to entice and to probably attract as many people as we can. Last year, they had the light show. This time, a giant Christmas tree. So welcome friends to our famous Ilocos Norte capital with a giant Christmas tree and someone taking pictures in front of it. A few fun facts about our province. Ayan. Number 1, 150 kilometers of the total 708-kilometer coastline which can be found in Region 1 is actually in Ilocos Norte alone. Of course, si Pangasinan naman owns or has the longest coastline amongst Region 1 provinces. But Ilocos Norte alone kasi is proud of telling other people na dito mo makikita yung mga very good beaches, mga nice beaches. In fact, one of them is yung Saud Beach Resort or Saud Beach, which is declared in 2020 or in 2021 as the best beach in the world by a magazine or a survey. Pero, don't get the wrong idea. Hindi lang po limited ang Ilocos sa mga beaches. We also have hiking places, mountains, and we also have one of the, if not the highest, peak or point in Region 1, which is Mount Sikapu. Okay? It's not a mountain that is very famous, but it's actually famous amongst mga mountaineers and hikers, and madaming dumadayo doon just for that alone. So Ilocos Norte itself is a combination of beaches, farms, mountains, and outdoor. So naglalakad tayo ngayon along Bonifacio Street, which is the street adjacent to one of the famous tourist spots in Lawag City, which is the Lawag City Bell Tower. A sinking bell tower at that. Before nyo makikita, yung mamaya makikita nyo later on, yung tower na to, let me tell you the story of TenTen and Jiboy, who are known to collect action figures and toys.
Hello, I'm TenTen. I am 29 years old, fresh civil engineering graduate, currently reviewing for the Civil Engineering Board exams, and as well as working for our family business, and I am a toy collector.
Hello, good evening. I am Jiboy Santiago from Lawag City, business owner and the owner of Tito Toys Ilocos.
Mostly popular superhero, pop culture like Marvel, DC, some animes, Power Rangers. It's like a memory of going back to the 90s as a kid. So that's the composition mostly. I had toys when I was young. Then as I grew up, nakikita ko na nag-evolve din yung mga toys. So basically buying the same toys when I was young, but yung mas advanced na versions nila, mas magandang versions na nila. Yeah, more of nostalgic. And then other reason is I reward myself for every small victories that I achieve. So the first action figure that I bought around 2015 was this DC Collectibles Batman Greg Capullo. So Greg Capullo was the artist for the comics kung saan binis tong action figure na to. So I liked it because I'm a Batman fan and it's so basic. Like there's no other gimmicks. You can just see na you get it as it is, na Batman talaga siya, na posable action figure. This is a Hot Toys Iron Man and it's die-cast. Bale, ito yung first kasi na Hot Toys ko na Iron Man, and that's where I started to realize na my collecting has been leveling up. So as you can see, ito na yung puro Marvel. Tapos puro DC na Mezco toys. Tapos sa baba niya, we have Star Wars because I'm a big Star Wars fan. So hindi ito yung Hasbro, ito yung SH Figure Arts na line. Ayun. So we also have Final Fantasy. Tapos yung mga Iron Man. Tapos Justice League. Pag bored kasi ako, natutuwa din ako mag-build. So I buy model kits also, Zoids and Gundam. Here we have Power Rangers. Tapos mix na siya. Power Rangers, Avengers. We have the Batmobile. Ayun. Anime characters. For me personally, this is my prized possession na an Enter Bay Final Edition Jordan, which is away edition yung jersey niya. It is my prized possession because individually siya yung pinaka inipunan ko talaga. Tapos limited lang din siya for like 5,000 made in the world talaga. Tapos but I consider this my prized possession because ito yung reward ko sa sarili ko when I just graduated. So for me, hindi na yun small goals eh. Like achievement yun for something na you got your diploma eh. So I might as well buy something big for me, and I chose this one talaga.
Na-rate na lang nung what is in the box.
So if you open the box, you'll see agad yung mga achievements ni Jordan, his career and personal achievements. As you can see, part to ng sinasabi ko kanina na complete accessories, which have the warmer, the jersey from the rookie year, tsaka yung final years niya sa Bulls. And actually favorite part ko tayo yung certificate na nagsasabing this item is number 4,437 out of 5,000 made. We have the body, which is, and other accessories. Ayan, the stand, the bola. But for me, the best part will be this one. You can choose what shoes niya na lalaro.
Ito yung lahat ng shoes niya, no?
Na ginamit niya sa Bulls.
Most of my collections are Marvel action figures from, for example, the bulk of my Marvel collection is from the X-Men cartoons na figures. Tapos meron din ako mga Avenger collection, tsaka Deadpool also. And meron din akong mga DC action figures na 7-inch at some Funko Pops. And hindi siya action figure yung iba kasi yung iba is parang statue na figures na nakatayo lang, talagang pang display lang. Mostly naman yun mga anime, but most of them talaga sa Marvel ako. Tapos about siguro nasa 200 something na yung Marvel collection ko. And then some sa mga anime and other different toy lines meron din. Quick tour of my collection. Ito yung Dragon Ball collection ko, Dragon Ball Z collection. Si Vegeta, Goku, hindi pa siya naka-box lang siya, ayoko pang buksan. Ito is my One Piece collection. Sila Luffy, Zoro. Ito naman yung Naruto collection ko, yung original Team 7. At saka my favorite one, Kenshin Himura. From the anime Ghost Fighter Funko Pop collection. Ito yung Iron Man collection ko naman. Merong mga Funko Dorbs, yung maliliit na cute. Ito yung mga assorted collection ko naman. May Voltes 5 doon, Wonder Woman, tsaka yung mga anime girls from Demon Slayer. May mga Pokemon din dyan. Ito naman yung Deadpool display ko. Tapos ito naman yung ibang X-Men collection ko na naka-card pa siya. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan. Kasi medyo mataas yung value niyan. Yung nasa taas, the original Avengers na action figures. Marvel Legends na line. Tapos yung nasa right side is yung X-Men action figures ko na 90s X-Men cartoons. Ito yung favorite na show ko nung nasa elementary ako. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-price collection ko, X-Men. Tapos may malaking Sentinel doon. Ito naman is McFarlane figures, mga 7-inch figures siya. From the DC Multiverse. Parang ito infected iba-ibang version ng mga superheroes and villains from DC. Ito mga Batman collection ko. Ito naman halo-halo yung from the movie na Avengers. Saka may Superman and Devastator sa likod. Ito naman mga Marvel Legends din from the Marvel Universe. Daredevil, Luke Cage, yung nasa Netflix. Ito, mga villains from Marvel Universe naman, iba-ibang villains. Tsaka to, villains ng X-Men. Meron din yung, ito, DC Multiverse na Justice League. Nakompleto ko na to. Yata. Aquaman, Superman, Black Superman from the latest movie. Wonder Woman, Batman. Ano pa ba meron dito? Yung Armored Batman from the Batman vs Superman na movie. Yung mga iba, nasa baba Star Wars na mga small figures. Merong mga NBA cards. Tsaka from X-Men din. Ulit. So mostly, ito rin Marvel Universe. Tsaka yung mga different version ni Spider-Man. Okay guys, hello. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Tito Toys Ilocos Toy Shop. What we can offer here are different varieties of items like ranging from anime collection, anime toys, like yung mga popular ngayon na One Piece, Naruto, may Demon Slayer, Dragon Ball Z, ayan, My Hero Academia, meron tayo niyan. Meron din tayo mga Gunpla kits, like sa mga yung mahilig mag-build ng Gundam, meron tayo. Meron din tayong mga Marvel figures ranging from Marvel Legends, Funko Pops, DC, mga Superman, ganun. Tsaka Batman collection. As you can see, yung shop namin is kasama niya yung Francine Sweet Sensations. So yung mga items natin, meron tayong mga anime collection, yung mga mahilig sa One Piece, sa Demon Slayer, meron din tayong mga Dragon Ball Z. Yan, tsaka yan. Ito yung mga sample na figures ng Dragon Ball Z. Meron din tayong mga Gunpla na kits, yung mga mahilig sa Gundam at mag-build. Meron din tayong mga die-cast collectors sa mga gusto ng cars. And this side, yung mga mahilig sa NBA cards collection, meron din tayo. Okay, and this side, meron din tayong Funko Pops, mga mostly Marvel figures, mga Spider-Man, Superman, ganun. Saka mga iba't ibang klase din ng Funko Pops, meron din tayo. Like that. and mga Marvel figures sa baba. Marvel and DC figures. Ang message ko sa mga gustong mag-start ng collection, number 1, budget. Dapat may specific budget ka para sa hobby na ito. Number 2, you have to start small. Magsimula ka dun sa mga hilig mo, sa mga, kung gusto mo ng murang item, doon ka magsimula sa murang item. Pangatlo, dun sa interesado ka at kung anong nagpapasaya sa'yo. Dun na papasok si Tito Toys Ilocos. Bebentahan kita ng toys para makapag-start ka ng collection at ma-improve yung collection mo.
You know what you want, mate, like ano ba ti interesting for you, tapos research about that specific line. Tapos I bought my first Batman, cheap lang din, wala pang 1,000 pesos. So wag mong biglayin, like start small talaga.
Sa mga gustong mag-start ng hobby at mag-start ng toy collection, you can visit our shop at Tito Toys Ilocos or message us directly at Tito Toys Ilocos sa Facebook page namin. Then, so that we can assist you. And then, in fact, meron kaming Ilocos Norte Toy Community dito sa Ilocos Norte. You can also join our group, so we can gladly assist you kung anong gusto nyong i-start na collection, kasi kung anong hilig nyo, kung paano ba kayo mag-start, what to do and what not to do sa pag-start ng hobby nito.